Hey kitties, so I'm back again with another video, and today I'm doing a quick friend mail video. So we are going to jump right in. Bam. So I got this box from a very special, sweet, and unique nail friend of mine. She said not to mention her name, and I've been talking to her for a few days now. We've been DMing each other. She's such a sweet person, super cool girl. Absolutely love my new nail sis. So she sent me some friend mail because she knows that I want to start diving into gels and things like that. So out of the kindness of her heart, she sent this to me. Just some things that she had that she thought I would like to try. So I'm going to show you guys. So I had to put this in one of my little containers here. But this is some really, let me zoom out. Oh, this is some really pretty, like glitter, chunky glitter. Love it. It's like iridescent. So I had to put it in a little container because it popped. But love that. I gotta show you this other one. This is gorgeous. Look how pretty. They're like little circles. I think it's so cool. Okay. She sent me some little Swarovskis. Oh my gosh. These are like Swarovski pearls. I'm going to have fun with this. For sure. For sure. Okay. This is so pretty. Do you guys, I don't know if you guys can really see the shine. There you go. Gorgeous. Love this. Then I got more. I love my chunky glitters, guys. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Glitter Boutique glitter. Ooh, this is gorgeous. This is called Pewter. Oh my gosh. I know she doesn't want me to like shout out like her, Instagram or whatever, but her name is Michelle, and she's the dopest person one of the dopest person I have made friends with since I started doing YouTube. Seriously. This is Chameleon Black and Purple Shards, and this is really cool, guys. Yeah, I like this. Definitely love this. I have a nail idea for this already. Love it. Oh, gosh. Okay. Ooh, and I got some more of like, I forgot what these called again. Oh my gosh. You guys know what this is called. But if you cut these in like odd shapes and like just put this on the acrylic, overlay with some acrylic or gel or whatever, beautiful effect on the nails. Can't put it in because of my gloves, but look at this. She sent me this from Daily Charm. I love these. This is from Daily Charm. Love these. It has like little kisses in it. It's like a little mixture of everything. Love that. She sent me this from Daily Charm. And this is iridescent mermaid flakes. It's called Ariel, as it should be. It's gorgeous. Okay. This is also from Daily Charm. I have never bought Daily Charm, and I'm like so hyped that she gave me all this Daily Charm like product. So hyped. You guys don't even know. I'm so hyped. Look at that. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm trying not to breathe on it so it doesn't fly all over the place. Okay. Woo. This is BLC for cord. Y'all know I can't talk. But you can already tell how pretty that is. Look at that. Okay. Now this, she gave me a great idea when I'm doing my own nails. If I put this on, it kind of helps with applying your acrylic. And it's so crazy. I've never thought of using that when you're doing, your non-dominant hand. So if I was going to do this hand, you kind of like do like that. So you can pull the skin back and really like lay your acrylic nice and flat. Never even thought about doing it. Never. So yes, girl, we'll be using this. Let's see. Some more Daily Charm. Oh, these are really pretty. Little stars, like starfish or something. Like starfish. Yeah, I'm bugging. Nice. More Swarovskis. She knows I like my bling. Oh, yay. Look at these. This is perfect. I love it. I love it. Look at these, guys. You guys know I'm putting these on my nails ASAP because I wouldn't be myself if I didn't. Oh, this looks like a beautiful pink. This is an OPI gel color, and it's called Pedal Faster, Susie. It's kind of funny. I'm a weirdo. That's funny. Ooh. Can you guys see the shine on that? Yeah, that's pretty. I like that. And I don't do baby pinks a lot, but that one's pretty. So, let's see what's in this little pot. I think this is a gel. Yep, this is like a hard gel. I can't wait to play with these. Oh my gosh. This is a hard gel. Definitely gonna be playing. And like, it's just no joke, guys. Like, for real. Like, not joking. Okay? Yeah. Definitely gonna be playing with that. For sure. And this, ooh, this is Magic Gel. And this is called Truffle Chiffon. And look at me pronouncing words. And it's by Maggie. Oh, this is very pretty. It has like these like iridescent flakes in it. I don't know if you guys can see very well. I hope you can catch it. There you go. It's like this really pretty, creamy gray, but not gray. Love this. I want to put this on my nails. Like now. Because I have on gloves because I didn't do my nails. My nails are trash. Yeah. These are getting played with. Oh, more Daily Charm. This is called Green Glow. So I'm assuming it glows. Duh. Duh, Gabby. Oh. Yeah, I can't wait to play with this stuff. I'm going to be bothering her all day in the DM. Like, what do I do with this? How do I do this? Does this look nice? She's going to get sick of me soon. Oh, my goodness. Okay, so this. Oh, she gave me some Light Elegance. I've been meaning to try some Light Elegance for myself. Oh, this is so pretty. It's a glitter gel from Light Elegance. Oh, it's called, oh, it says it on top. Duh. Be in Your Bonnet. Oh. Oh, wow. Wow. This right here is going to make me just go on Light Elegance website and just buy a whole bunch of crap that I don't know how to use yet. Which is pretty much my entire nail career. That looks nice. Buy it. Figure out how to use it later. Oh, guys. I like so love this thing. I'm like, yeah. This has to get used. Like, I'm just shaking because I can't wait to use it. This is so nice. Thank you, girl. I really cannot wait to use it. Yeah, that was so dope. Let's see if I can. Okay. She packaged it so well for me because you know, guys, when you send certain things, gels or whatever, everything shifts and moves. Listen. Ooh, guys. Did you guys see that? Do you see this color? All of it has a beautiful shimmer. This is the color she had on her nails. And I told her I loved it. It looks so pretty on her. And she sent it to me. Yes. Thank you. It looks so beautiful on her nails. She has mini kitty claws. Those are her mini claws. We were DMing each other. And she showed me her nails. She has mini claws. And she had this color on her nails. And I told her how much I freaking loved it. And yeah. She sent it to me. She's bomb. She's like absolutely bomb. This is so sweet of her. Like seriously. And I know she told me not to send her anything, but too late. Got your address now. I'm sending it anyway. Ooh, this is pretty. This is really pretty. So, do you guys see? I hope you guys can see it. Yeah, so nice. I can't wait. Seriously, I cannot wait. She sent me a nice little note that I'm going... Oh, and she sent me this. She sent me a nice little note that I'm going to read to myself later. But I had to show you guys such beautiful friend mail that I received from my girl. And I love making my new friends and nail sisters out there. I appreciate you so much. I love every single thing you put in here. You can tell that you really know who I am. Because the glitter, the sparkle, the shine, the iridescent, everything is just absolutely wonderful. Like, I want to go buy a whole ton of this now. Because I just, wow. This is just awesome. But thank you, girl, so much. I appreciate you. I respect our newfound friendship. This is awesome. And definitely, you will be seeing some stuff from me soon. She does mainly gels, so I'm definitely going to find what I have that will work for the medium that she uses more often. And guys, don't forget, please like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone and anyone so that everyone can know what your girl's doing on my channel. Love you guys so much. Thank you, girl. I love our friendship and I love what you sent me. And you will be getting a package from me soon. Bye, kitties.